I like it better when I'm under the sun.
Here comes another exciting day here in the space. I have here Eloisa from Shell Canvas. Say hi, Eloisa. Hello. So I had my curtains customized and I waited like 2 weeks for this, and so they're finally here. They're gonna start with the bedroom and I assume they'll be moving on to the bathroom later on. I'll show you a close-up view of what I did to temporarily cover my bathroom window, which makes it very secure for me in terms of privacy. So my bathroom window has been covered with a pillowcase that I rarely use, and I've also stuck some electric tape on top of the railings just to keep the fabric from falling down, as it is quite heavy. It just doesn't look very pleasant, but at least it gets the job done. But the better news is, in just a matter of hours, my space would look entirely different. This is gonna be covered and roll video.
I like it better when I'm under the sun. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm under the sun. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Status update. Voila! It's so beautiful. Yeah, now I can finally bid all these fan club men bye-bye. Goodbye, guys. Whoa! There's only like a few more details left, which is basically sewing it to level with the rest of this platform right here.
My soul will tell me what I need to know. Where to go with the flow. Open sky, never on my own. Wild like the flowers grow.
Oh my god.
Fast like no.
Finally seeing all of this come together, and it won't be long before it's finally coming to fruition. Moving on to the next section of my space is the living room.
I'm under the sun. Ooh, 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 ooh. My soul will tell me what I need to know. Where to go with the flow. Open sky, never on my own. Wild like the flowers grow. Fast like no thanks, no, I'm doing just fine. One foot in another. Floating, enjoying my freedom. Singing off key, yeah. I like it better when I'm under the sun. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm under the sun. Ooh, 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 ooh. When I'm under the sun. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm under the sun. Watch me dance in the starlight, do what makes my soul shine. Never ever felt so free. Watch me sit in the lake, make a friend on the way. Never ever felt so me.
And yeah, I just thought that this night is very significant because it's gonna be the last night that I will be sleeping
Without curtains in my room.